Are you new to Wix? If so, you're in luck because today's video is all about getting started with a Wix editor. Let's get to it. Number 1, accessing the Wix editor. You might notice that after you sign up with Wix and after choosing what kind of website you'd like to create, you'll be routed to your dashboard, which looks like this. In order to go to the Wix editor, just simply click on this button over here. Depending on the situation, this button can say Edit Site or sometimes it can say Design Site. Number 2, adding or customizing your site elements. So here we are on the Wix editor. By the way, your website is made up of lots of elements arranged to form a stunning site. Depending on your site's needs and your preferences, you can simply rearrange these elements according to your preferences. You can even customize them if you want. You can remove some and replace them with other elements instead. Let's talk about them one by one. Adding an element. To add an element, you can go to the plus button over here. Select an element you'd like to add, for example, a button, and then you can either click on it or drag it to your page, just like that. Customizing an element. To customize an element, you can click on an element, and once you click on it, you'll notice that some tools will appear. Different kinds of tools will appear for different kinds of elements. Choose which tool you'd like to use in order to customize your element. Removing an element. To remove an element, just simply click on it and hit the Delete key on your keyboard. Number 3, adding or customizing your site sections. By the way, you can add not just single elements, but also entire sections. To add a section, click on Add Section on the sidebar. Select the type of section you'd like to add. Wix has plenty of preset templates over here. If you like, you can even use Wix's AI generator. Add a few details and AI will generate a unique and ready-to-use section for you. As for me, I'm just going to choose a simple pre-made template over here that we can use. And you can just simply click on it or drag it to your website, to your web page to be able to add it to your web page. Let's talk about editing a section. To edit an entire section conveniently, click on that section and click on the Quick Edit button. If you don't see the Quick Edit button, click on the pencil button. It's basically the same thing. You'll be able to see this side panel over here on the right. This is where you can edit the content of your section conveniently. Edit your section background, strip background, column background, title, paragraph, and so much more. Let's talk about removing a section. To remove a section, click on that specific section and hit the Delete key on your keyboard. Number 4, customizing your website's design. If you'd like to change your site's look and feel, then go to the Site Design button, which is over here. This is where you can change your website's color theme, text theme, page background, and this is also where you can apply page transitions to your site. Number 5, integrate apps. Did you know that you can download apps and features onto your Wix site to make your website more functional? Yes, you can do that by going to the Wix App Market button. It's over here. Look for whatever apps you'd like to add to your website. You can use the categories over here or search for specific apps you'd like to add to your site. Say, for example, bookings. You can click on Wix Bookings here and then click on Add to Site to be able to add this feature to your site. Number 6, manage your site business. No matter what website you're trying to create, you're going to have to manage its central processes. To do that, go to the My Business button on the sidebar. Whether you have a blog site, a restaurant, a subscription-based website, you can manage your site's tasks over here. For example, if you have a blog site, this is where you can create a post and manage your blog. If you have a Wix store, this is where you can add products, set your shipping settings, and everything that needs to be set up. Basically, all the integral processes of your website can be done here on the My Business section. And apart from that, this is also where you can find all the apps that you've installed to your site. And this is where you can customize those specific apps. Number 7, manage your site pages. When creating your website, it's important to take note that you shouldn't just edit or design the home page only. You should also design or edit your other web pages. To do that, go to the Site and Pages menu button, which is over here. And this is where you can add a new page, create subpages, and to create a subpage, you can actually just drag this to the right, and it'll become a subpage of that web page. But I'm just going to undo it since that's not what I want. But that's how you create subpages. And this is also where you can switch from one page to another inside the editor. So let's go to the videos web page. And yeah, this is it. Let's try the My Gallery page. Okay, there you go. So apart from this button, this is also where you can switch from one page to another. Here on the page drop down on the toolbar above under the Wix logo. Number 8, edit your site's mobile mode. Remember that a lot of your visitors are going to use their smartphones, which means it's important that you edit your site's mobile view as well. Click on the phone icon over here, and then you can start editing your website's mobile mode. It's very important to make sure that your website looks good not only on PCs, but also on mobile devices. Number 9, preview your website. Before publishing your site, you have to make sure that your site is ready. So preview it and check to see if it's working just how you like. To do so, click on Preview over here, and you'll be able to use your website as if it were already published. Number 10, publish your site. Finally, once everything's all good, you're ready to publish your site for everyone to see. Simply click on Publish right over here and let the whole world see your new and stunning site. That's all for today. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.